Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best wire stripping machine. Here are the top 3 wire stripping machines that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Happybuy Manual Wire Stripping Machine. This stripper is made up of high-quality aluminum alloy material specially designed for long-term use. Its blades are made of durable material that lasts much longer and achieves a high working efficiency. The machinery has a feeding panel and nut on the cable wire stripping machine, which is adequate for any shape cable. It is easy to operate with a hand crank or drill, which is driven, portable, convenient and energy-saving. Happybuy wire stripping machine is widely used in wiring harness processing, aerospace wire processing and wire recycling. At number 2. VIVOHOME Automatic Motorized Electric Wire Stripper. This electric wire stripper is made from high-quality alloy with its sharp blades that can easily cut rubber insulations of undamaged scrap wire. This machine can strip up to 50 feet/15 m per minute, making it more efficient and time-saving. It is constructed with high-quality and sturdy aluminum alloy, which lasts for several years. This product possesses a power engine and heavy-duty gearbox that renders quick peel speed and enhances productivity. VIVOHOME wire stripper is widely used in automotive wiring harness processing, aerospace wire processing, audio and data line processing. At number 1. StripMeister Automatic Wire Stripper Machine. This durable, industrial-grade wire stripping machine is a unique cable stripper which can strip cables of multiple sizes. It has a simple operation and quick adjustments that can strip wire sizes from 18-gauge wire to 250 mcm. The machine is constructed from solid aircraft-grade aluminum alloy with the drive shaft from stress-proof steel. Its blades and feeders are precision machined from heat-treated tool steel and can strip up to 65 feet per minute. StripMeister wire stripping machine comes with wire reference indicators that reduce setup time between wires by up to 75%. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.